Hello everyone, Tim from the Kukali Bushcraft channel. Right, another video for you. Last summer in Finland we had a fire ban, dry weather, high fire risk. So you couldn't light a fire anywhere, so you needed a stove. I didn't have a stove, all I had was a tube of bioethanol gel made by Vango, I believe was the company. Okay, so I'll find somewhere quiet to have a brew and I'll show you what I came up with. Okay, so this is nice and simple. Right, 3 tent pegs. If you've got 3, it's a lot easier to get them all flat on the top. I remember when I was in Taiwan, all of the Aboriginal people there, where they have outdoor fireplaces, they just bury 3 rocks into the ground. Then they build the fire between the rocks and they can sit the pan on the top. I apologise for the noise of the traffic. Okay, so those 3 pegs just keep it off the ground. So three more, then you can put your pan on the top. That one can go in a little. No, it can't, there's a rock there. Okay, a little bit of adjustment. Okay, there you go, that should work. Right, the second method, this is a lot simpler still. Okay, just a rock, and I'm going to use this. That came with the zebra billy can. Okay, BCB Fire Dragon tablets. Never used these before, so let's give them a go. I think really the bioethanol gel, it's probably easier to get the right amount and you don't have all this rubbish to carry out. Let's see if it'll rack like with a ferro rod. Yep. Okay. So just put those across there to act as fire dogs. And I'll put in just enough water for a coffee. Right, so we'll leave that to do its stuff. Okay, so that's boiling away nicely now. But that is the second tablet, and it's really not very much water. But what I'm going to do now is something you can't do with the Hexi stoves. I'm sure most of you remember those. I'm going to see if I can put it out. So that should starve it of air. Yeah. I'll let that cool down. I'll scrape it out, put it in a tin. This is ethanol based, so it should be it should be a lot more food safe and in general a lot less toxic than the old hexamine tablets. So yeah, hopefully I can maybe reuse that. So it's not taken 2 tablets, it's taken 1.5. Okay, so the BCB Fire Dragon tablets, they're intended for use with a it's basically the same as a hexamine stove or an Esbit stove. It's a rectangular fold out stove that fits nicely in a rectangular mess tin, which, as if you've got a round billy tin, a tuna can fits in it much better. And also, if you've got a zebra can, you've got a small little pan in the top, which works fine. After the little experiment, though, I think I'm going to have fun finishing off cleaning it. But yeah, it works, and I think there's no harm in carrying a bit of fuel with you, even if you're not going to use it. You can use commercial fire lighters from the hardware store. I've tried that. It's really slow and really sooty, but it works. You could use hexamine blocks, Esbit blocks. With the Fire Dragon, I was a bit disappointed with how little water I could boil with 1 tablet. It seems well, not very efficient, but it is a lot more food safe than the hexamine stoves that we're all more used to. It's what I used to take camping with me when I was very young, and yeah, these things give out all kinds of toxins, and they're not very nice. They don't smell very nice, and yeah, the ethanol based products are much safer, much more environmentally friendly, and I think the gel's the way to go, to be honest. So, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and like, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you all again next time. Goodbye.